So what we will be doing is web design, and I have a list of things that we are going to cover in today's training. So for using a blogger, we are going to cover this Google account. Then you have blogger account, you have templates, editing your template, adding menu, header, body, and that, labels, and adding custom domain. That's what we'll be doing today. That's what we'll be doing on blogger in terms of blogger. Then in terms of WordPress, we are going to do all these things. So we don't have much time. We don't have much time. So let's kickstart. So first thing first, we will start with Blogger. For you to design a blog on a Blogger, you need to have a Gmail account, and it is advisable to open a new Gmail. You understand? Open a new Gmail account for this. For this, just go and open a new one. If you don't know how to open a Gmail account, go to my YouTube channel. I have a video on that on how to open a new Gmail account. So, but let me go to one of my mail. So I'll go to, after opening a Gmail account, go to blogger.com. Just search Blogger. Blogger is owned by Google. It's owned by Google. I'm going to blogger.com. So you go to blogger.com if you want to use Blogger. Okay, when you search Blogger, you see the first domain here. This is the Blogger we are talking about. You can click on it and open it. So this is the Blogger website. This is the Blogger we are talking about. This blog is owned by Google. Blogger is owned by Google. So if you want to create a new blog using a Blogger, one advantage of this thing is that you don't need to have any domain name. You don't need to have hosting. Everything is being done by Google. You understand? You can visually start a blog using a Blogger for free. You don't even need to buy anything. So that's what we'll be doing today. So I'll click on create a blog. You can see create a blog. So as you can see, it's directing me where I will select my email. I don't want to use this particular email to create this particular blog. I don't want to use this. So I will go back to this. I'll go back to this particular email. So make sure that the email that you're using, as you can see from here now, the email that I'm using is the email that I open newly. So you are going to open a new email for this. Anything that I want to do with blog, open another Gmail account for that. So I'm using this
Question,
particular.
sir.
Okay. What's the question?
Yes, sir. Should we follow you as you do it? Like, should we follow you step by step, or
No,
we
no, no,
just
no.
watch, learn,
Just
and then?
no, just watch the DIY. Just watch. The DIY is that you're going to design your own blog on Blogger. Then if you have the money, then you are going to design on WordPress. But the DIY for today,
Oh,
you are going to design it. So just follow and learn. Then after, I will still make the video. I'm recording
okay,
the
sir.
video. You can still watch the video. You understand?
Yeah,
So
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'll put the title of my blog. Let's say, for example, blessing. What's the name of that your blog? ROGI. Okay, Budge blog. Okay, let's go with this name. But this, for example, this is just for training. This is not your blog name and all that. This is just for training.
Yes,
Then,
sir.
so we still go with that BORGI. As you can see, sorry, this blog address is not available. This is not available, so we can add another. We can just twist it. So we can twist this. Okay, let's put like this. Let's and check whether okay, this address is available. As you can see, this one is available. So we can click on next. So display name. Our display name is this. It's going to be
Question, sir.
yes. What is the question?
Please, why, as he's saying it's not available, does that mean that someone is already using it?
Thank you.
Or what?
Yes.
Why is he saying it's not available?
Yeah, someone has
What's
already
the
taken
essence
it.
of being not available?
Someone have already taken it. That's why it's not available. Someone have already taken that. So we click on finish.
Wow. Okay, thank you.
So it's processing our blog. Display name failed. Okay, let's add it. This is because of network. So it's processing. Let's wait for it to process. Okay. As you can see, wow, we have actually created our blog on Blogger. And you can even do this with your phone. You can actually do this with your phone. So let's go and check our blog. Let's go and check our blog. You can see view blog. So let's view our blog from here. See how our blog look like. As you can see, this is how our blog look like. This is bizyjoe.blogspot.com. This is our domain name. This particular thing here is our domain name. As you can see, it's having .blogspot.com. That's one thing that Blogger has. The free domain name that you get on blog is going to have .blogspot.com. So that's the name of our blog. But you can change this to any domain that you want. If you can go and buy a domain name, you are going to change that later. So, but this is how our blog looks like. As you can see, this does not look nice at all. It does not look nice. So we have actually created a Blogger account. So the next thing to do, we want to follow this step. We have created our Blogger account. The next thing to do is a template. We want to install a template on our blog. In order to do that, we can go to Google. Are you
Question, sir. Sorry.
What's the question? What is the question?
This blog, this domain that you said, blogger.com, I have not really seen a domain like that before. I don't know. Does that mean that people are not creating using this Google, this blogger.com, or what? What's the difference between this one and that Linda KG and that Naira, all this Naira land stuff.com? So what's the difference between this kind of blog and that one people are using?
Okay, if you have any question, put it down in the comment section. There is a comment section on this particular thing. Put it down so that at the end of the training, we'll go through all the questions so that we'll be fast enough. So let me answer your question, Mr. Chris. The reason this one is you are designing your blog on a platform owned by blogger.com. So it's like creating a subdomain. You know, if you're into tech, you will know what is called a subdomain. Like a subdomain, like my blog have a website called bizyjoe.com. I can create a subdomain on that. So the subdomain is going to bear the domain name, that's bizyjoe.com. So, but in this blogger aspect, you can still get a custom domain. Linda EKG is having a custom domain. That's lindaekg.com. Naira Loaded is having a custom domain. They are designing their own blog on their own platform. They have a hosting. They are designing it on their own platform. That's why it's having their domain name. But at the end of this training, I'm going to show you how to connect your blog so that it's not be having that .blogspot. It's because you have not been seeing blog with blogspot. You understand? So I'm going to show you how to connect your custom domain there. So you're also going to connect, maybe you buy a domain with chris.com. So instead of people seeing chris.com, chris.blogspot.com, they will only be seeing chris.com. We will be doing that. That's one of the last things we will be doing. So let's continue. So if you have any question, put it down on the comment section. I have a comment section here. Just put it down in the comment section so that at the end of the training, we are going to go through the comment section and see the questions that are there so that we'll be a bit faster. So we are on templates. So if you want to get a template, you can come here, go to your Google. Google is a powerful search engine. Just go and search bloggers, go and search bloggers templates. Freedom. Okay, let's go and search bloggers templates. So we have this particular website. We have bloggers template 214 best templates. Let's open this. Then we also have 120 best templates for blog. Okay, let's also open this. Yeah, B templates. Yeah, there are so many templates here. Bloggers templates. There are also elements, but there's one I normally use. I use template yard. Let's go to template yard. Templates yard. Okay, I have an account with this particular website. I also buy Google templates. That's bloggers templates from this website. So let's check all this platform. As you can see, there are some great bloggers templates here. This one is a website, this one is a blog. So as you can see, let's not use this particular. Let's focus on these two. Okay, this one is not even opening. So let's use this particular Go. I don't even know the name of this particular. Okay, this one has open template yards. I also use this particular website. So let's go for free bloggers template because we want to do everything free. We want to design this blog for free. But aside from that, see all the templates there. See all the templates. Just go through the templates depending on the kind of blog that you have. See the one that you like. You can go and view all bloggers templates. See one that you like. Let's just go and let me just select any template. Let me check this particular template. This equals. Let's check equals. Let's check equals. As you can see, go through the template and see what the template is all about. You can go before you download any template. Just go live and see how the templates look like. You can go live and see how the template look like and check the templates. Check what you are getting. These are the features of the template. It's responsive, SEO friendly, ad ready, slideshow, social bank. These are the features of this template: style, magazine, minimalist, and portfolio, and all that. So any template I want to download, check the features, check all the features of this template, and see that they are good. Okay, still loading. So if I want to download this template, because I want to download the free version, you can also pay for this. If you want to pay, you click on paid button, use your card and all that. But I want to download this free version of this particular template. I don't want to pay for it. I want the free version. Every template, every bloggers template have a free version and a paid version. So it has opened. So this is how the templates look like. This is how the templates look like. So okay, so this is the template. So what I need to do is just to close this. I've already downloaded the template on this. So let me go and open it. This is the free version. This is the free version. As you can see, this is what they are giving me. So I want to install this particular template on my blog. Let's go. And every template that you downloaded, there's a documentation on how to install that particular template. See how to install templates, how to install blogger template. This video documentation. So you can go and watch this particular video documentation here. You understand? But I don't want to go through all those stress. I want to go straight and install the template. So what I need to do is you look for XML file. Let's look for the XML file of this particular template. Let's look for this. This is PNG, this is internal shortcut. So this is JPEG. So let's look for the XML file. So this is the logo, this is live blogger shortcuts. Let's go to download. Let's unzip this particular file. Let's extract this. Okay. So this is the file. This is the folder in question. So let's try and this is the free version I'm looking for. This is the document. This particular one that has 496 kilobytes. This is the HTML document of this. So this is the free version shortcut. This is the documentation. So, but we are going to go through that later. So what I need to do, I need to get this code. I can right click on this. Then I'll click on open with. Let me open with Notepad++. I want to open it with a Notepad. So this is the code. This is the code of this particular website. So this is what I need to do is just to click on Ctrl+A. I'll now copy this code. I have copied this code. So I'll close this. I'll go back to my blogger. This is my blogger. So I'll go to team. Hello, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go back. As you can see, this is the theme that we are currently using. This is already made theme that we are using on our blogger. So these are some of the themes that you can select. You can choose any of this theme, but this theme I don't normally select any of this theme because they look somehow. I normally go with this. I normally go with a design theme, the theme that is well designed, that look nice. So let me I will click on this button here. I click on then click on edit HTML. I'm clicking on edit HTML. So it's loading. This particular blogger, most people who use what is it called? People that know how to code. If you know how to code, you can use Blogger and all that. Even the so-called DKG is being hosted on Blogger. The DKG blog is on Blogger, is done on Blogger. So you can actually design your blog. So what I did, I pressed Ctrl A. I highlighted everything that is there, all the code that is there. I just deleted it. I just removed it. I highlighted everything there. I removed everything here. Then I'll now press Ctrl and paste the one that I copied. This one, the code that I bought, the free code that I have. This is how it looks like. So as you can see, Blogger template style, name is this, license is free license, version is this, version 1. Author is template yard. As you can see, this is even on template yard. So the measure website is from template yard. The website I showed you before that I used to download all my, this is from template yard. So you can get majority of your bloggers templates from this particular website. I even buy some bloggers templates from here. It is very cheap. Some are selling for less than $5. Most of their templates here are selling for less than $5. So if you have money, you can buy it. So what I need to do is just to click on save. Once I install it, I just click on save. So as you can see, we don't have any posts here. There is no post on our blog. We don't have any posts. We don't have anything on our blog. So as this one is still processing, let's add some posts on our blog. Let me refresh this particular page. Okay, this is how it appears. Okay, I think it's already saved. It's already saved. So let's go and check our blog. Let's view our blog again. Let's go and view our blog and see how it looks like. This is now our blog. Is this a okay? This is now our blog. I feel. So let's go back. These have not changed. Let me see. As it's still, let's add some posts because we need posts. We need posts and we need some posts on our blog. As you can see, this is a new theme that we downloaded. So can somebody tell me why we don't have anything here?
I think we have not posted any content,
Thank
like
thank
published content on it.
thank you. That's why our blog is like that. That's why we're having our blog like this. We don't have any content on our blog. So let's go and I will attend to all the questions later, please. Let's go and get some. Let's upload some blog. So I'll click on create a new blog. We have created all the 5 posts. These are our 5 posts. So let's go and check our website. Let's check our blog again and see whether our changes have affected. It's coming up, but as you can see, this is how our blog look like. Oh, this is how it looks like. We have content here, but this is not how it looked like before. You know, let me know whether I can see the initial blog. Let's live blogger. Let's know whether we can check the. Okay, this is their YouTube channel. This is their YouTube channel. I want to know whether I can see how the blog looked like before. Free version. This is their no. This is not what I'm. How to install the blog. Okay. This is the documentation. Okay, this is how to install the blog, like the right top. This. Okay, okay, but let's just continue. Let's continue with. Let's continue. So what I need to do, I've already written my post. So the next thing to do, let's check our so that we editing your template. We have already done our post. We have installed the template. It's now to edit the template. So let's go back to let's then before that in designing a blog. Before that, let's do another one. There are some pages that are very very important that you need to add on your blog. There are pages every blog or every website need this page. So let's go and create those pages. Let's go to pages. So I'll click on create new page. Click on create new page. The first page is about us. About us page. About us page. You write about us. Write about your blog. Do you understand? You're supposed to know about your blog. But if you don't know what to write, you go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT. This is one of the best tools that I've been using so far since the inception of that particular tool. I've been using this tool very well. Oh, network. Oh, my network. So, but let's since it's not opening, I think we will go. So this blog is. They say this blog is about you write your stories. If you like, you put image. If you like, you put video. If you like anything you want, you just put it here. So after you publish it, write about us. Then another page that we need is contact us. You need a contact us page. You put contact us. So you can put your email. You can put email here. You can put your email here at gmail.com. Then you can put your name where people can reach you. You can put your name. Then you can put your phone number if you like. You can put your phone number. You can put your phone number so that people can actually reach you. Phone number. I will also show you another method to do this. You can see you can put your phone number, all this information. This is where people can contact you. Now another way, if you want them to submit a form, like if you want to have a form here, you can go to Google Form. You just go to Google Form. Google Form. You go to Google Form, then go to this Google Form. Then you create a form. Just go to form, create a new form with Google. I don't know why ChatGPT is still loading. So you can create a contact form. This still doesn't know. I don't know. So this is a contact form. As you can see, they already have a template here. You can see contact form. Just click on contact form. Just redesign the contact form the way you like it. The information that you like people to send to you. You understand? You can just redesign the one. This contact form. Just put your name here. The name of our blog. I think is be this contact form. You can put the description. Then you want people to submit their email. Then you don't need this. If you don't need this, you can remove this. The address. Then phone number. If you don't need their phone number, you can put that. Then you can put this to notes. You can leave it notes or comments and all that. Once you are done with this, just click on send. You understand? Just click on send. You want to then click on code. You need to add this code. Just copy it, embed this code. Copy this embed code. Copy that. Come to your pages. If you don't want to put this like this, you just delete this thing. Then come back to this where you see this pencil icon. You see this pencil icon here. Just change it to HTML view. Once you change it to HTML view, you can, if you want to, remove all these things. Put this there. You understand? You can put this there. Then go back to compose. If you go back to compose, you see this. This is how it appears now. Just click on publish. Confirm. Click on publish. Let's go and view this our contact form. Let's go and view it. View. it will open soon. So this is ChatGPT as about us. So you say I need about us page for my blog. For my blog name, you put your name and a name. Let's say and the blog is about, let's say, makeup. Just put this prompt on chat, then that ChatGPT will now create about us page for you. You just copy the right up and put it there. So this is not loading. Wow, as you can see, this is the form that it have actually created. So if somebody put his name here, Joseph, then put his email, phone number, put the phone number, then put the what you want to contact you for, please. Then you now click on submit. Once you now click on submit, you need to be checking your email for this. You understand? That's another way to put this. If you don't want to put your details there, you can put it like that. So then let's go back. This our meeting is about to end. It's about to end. We are just having call will end soon. It will end in 6 minutes. Mr. Chris, I hope you have actually created the meeting. Mr. Chris.
I'm on it.
Okay. So we have created the contact us page. Another page you need to create is you have created contact about us. Then you create privacy policy. You create a privacy policy. Very, very important. Privacy policy page. You understand? So I normally create this using, let me close these people. Let me also close this. Let me close this. So I'll just go to Google and say privacy policy page generator. I'll just click this on Google. Then I will see some website that you can use to this. So I'll go down. I've used this particular privacy policy page. I've used this. Then let me also go down. No other ones. The ones I've used. So let's check this. So you just be checking the ones that, because there are some ones that you want to use. They will tell you to do this one, to put your email, do this one, and all that. So, but I think I've used this particular one. I also use SEMrush. I normally use Sem. Okay, not SEMrush. Or none of this particular meeting marketing. It's not SEMrush. There's one particular website I normally use to create that privacy policy page. But let's use this. Let's use this one. My network is still bad. Let me open another one. Free privacy. Let me use put free. Okay, so let's go down. No other. Okay, it has opened. It has opened. It has opened. So what I need to do is let's go down. I'm creating a privacy policy for your website. So let's go and continue and generate a privacy policy page. Okay, let's. Oh, my network is very, very bad though. It's very, very bad. Airtel people. So let's let's try this. Create a privacy policy page. I'm trying this particular website. So this guy. Okay, you put your website name. So let's go and let's go and put our website name. So let me just publish this particular stuff. Let me publish it so I can get my website, the website name. Let me confirm. Okay, so this is our website name. So let's also go back to this. So this is our website name. I will copy it, come here, put it. The name of our website is Lodge. Lodge. This is the name of our website. So let's put individual country. Let's put Nigeria. Okay, I've not even used this particular this one before. Email address. Require what's for. I don't even need all this. So let's also put this, but you can get another one that is better. Yes, I want to upgrade. No, I don't need this. So we will receive the email on your email. So let me put this particular. Let me put. So let me go and click on generate. I click on generate. It's generating my this for me. So let's see. To manage your agreement, send the confirmation. These people. Okay, this is our email copy. This, as you can see, this is like a HTML code, and this is the email, the one they generated. Do you understand? This is the private space that they have generated. Do you understand? This one they generated. This is cool. So what I need to do is just to copy this. I can copy the code. I can copy the code from here, or I can just. Okay, let's copy the code. I've copied this code, so I'll go back to my this. I will go and when you copy a HTML code, always change this to HTML. Then put it and put it like this. When you copy a HTML code, change it to HTML view. So let me go back to compose. As you can see, this is our compose. As you can see, this we have already generated a privacy policy page. So I'll just click on update. So then let's go back. Another page that you need to create is you create. Let's create terms and condition. Terms and condition. This one is not even necessary. Terms and condition. Conditions is not necessary actually because it's not necessary. So you can still use the same method. You can still use the same method I used to create this privacy policy page. Go to Google and search terms and condition page generator, and you can create that. So let me just click on publish. Then another page you need to create is disclaimer. You can, but it's not necessary. The one that are very important is about us, contact us, and privacy policy page. These ones are very, very, very important. These terms and condition, disclaimer. Then if you are applying for AdSense, you can create a DAMA, but that's for UK and all that. So we have done that. So let's go to creating our template. We want to create we want to do templates. We want to edit our template. Let me close all these things. Let me close all this stuff. I don't need so I'll go to I'll go to layout. I'm going to layout. I'll go to layout. So I want to now remember this is how our website look like. Let me go. We have home, about, contact. This is not our logo. This is not our logo. This is home, features, documentation, download template. There is nothing here that is on my what's it called? blog. There's nothing else on my blog, so I need to remove all these things. I need to remove all that and change. This is the menu. This is the primary menu. All these home features, documentation, download. This is primary menu. This is secondary menu. Home, about, this is secondary menu. All the social icon. These are secondary menu. So you need to change everything that is there to your own. Even this crafted with this home, about, you need to change all these things. So let's start now. This is where the work comes from. So you click on layout. Once you click on layout, then you click on let's click on edit box version. So let's click on edit gadget box version. What is here? First, okay, so there's nothing here to do. There's nothing here to do. Let's click on cancel. Default variables. Let's also check something here. Let's check. Then we have blogger. What's this? So this is where discuss short term. This then comment system blogger this. So let's leave this. There's nothing here to change also. So this is top navigation. This is header logo. This, as you can see from our website, that place that you are seeing is this. This is where our logo is. This top, this from here to here, this is where it is showing. So let's go back. That's here. So this is top navigation. Let's click on that. So what we want to do here, we want to change. We will leave the home. Then we want to change about us. So you can click on delete this because this is not our about us. So this is not our contact us. So see what they added there is. What they added here is your pages. Those pages that you created. This is what is on this secondary menu. So we are going to add all those pages that we created there. So add item. We are going to put the name about us. We are going to put about us. So you go and get the link. Let's go back to our website. Let's go back to okay, let's cancel this. Then let's open our pages. Let's open it here. So, and also let's open these blogs. Let's open it there. So let's go back and click on this. So it's opening on the about network. So you click on create a link list. So I think we have deleted these things before, but I leave this home, or I leave this home because we need the home. Then I click on add item. This is about us. Then I'll go and get the link. This is our pages. Let me go and get the link of our. This is the link. I'll click on copy link address. I'll come back here and put that about us. So I'll click on save. Then I'll create another one. This contact us. This contact us. Then I'll also go and get the link. This is how we do this. Get the link. Then I'll also save it. Then you add all those stuff, add all those privacy policy, all your pages, add it here, privacy policy, add all those policy, then get the link and put it there. I don't have time. Then add another one. You can add as many, all the pages you have, add it there. Then you have terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. Then get the link and put it there. Get the link and save. Once you are done, you click on save. Once you click on save, then you click on save. You click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, this thing will be affected on the blog. Once you click on save changes and it's complete saving, then the changes have been affected. Let's go back to our blog and see. As you can see, on our secondary menu now, we have our about us, contact us, privacy, and terms and conditions. So let's click and see all those things. As you can see, this is contact us. This is the form that we created. So that's how it looks like. So let's change this logo. This is what you are going to do. The logo, you change the logo. Let's click on change the logo. So you are going to upload another logo. This is the image, then you click on upload logo, then you click on select file. But before that, before you do anything, the size of logo you upload is very, very important before I forget. So let's open this logo on a new tab. Let's save this logo. Let's save it on our desktop. So let me go back and open this particular logo. So let me open the logo. This is the logo, right? If you are designing your own logo, see the size. So the size of this logo is 428 times 91. So any logo that you are designing is supposed to also have this 428 size times 91. Bear it in mind. So let's go to open with. You can open anything with. You can design your logo and anything. I'm not designing any logo, but what I want to tell you that any logo that you are designing is supposed to have the same dimension. It's supposed to have the same dimension with this. The dimension, I've showed you the dimension now. So let me know that I can see it. Yeah, okay. It's not here. But the dimension is 4 okay. The dimension is 428 times 91. So bear it in mind. Anyone that you are using, also check the dimension before you and make your logo to fit in there, because if the dimension you designed on your logo is not the same with the one they have before, it will make your menu to look like it will look somehow. So make sure that the one you are designing is in line with that. So I'm not going to change any logo. I'm just going to leave it like that. But if you want to change logo, just click on upload. So you select the logo that is in, you just select the logo, then click on open and that, then you click on save. Once you do that, your logo will be changed. Then the social icon, there's some social icons there. These social icons there, you need to change it. You need to put your own social icon there. So what you need to do, you just click on this pencil icon here. You see all the social icon here. Then just click on this. Add your own social icon. Add your own social icon here. Put the link there. Just click on this pencil icon, Twitter. Anyone that you don't have, you can put hash. If you don't have, you put hash there. Anyone that you don't have, you put hash there, or you can delete it.
Yeah. Your screen is stuck now.
Is it showing now? Hello, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Hello?
Wow, sir.
Okay, I can go on. Okay. Thank you. So you can edit anyone that you don't want, you can delete it. If you want to add another one, just click on add, put the name of this the social media platform, like let's put TikTok there. Then you go and get the link of your TikTok and put it. If you don't want to put it hash. Then after everything, you just save. Then this is our main menu. This main menu here is this. Let's go to this. This is our main menu. Let's go to home. This is our main menu. This home features this. So let's go and edit that. So what I need to do is just to click on this. So this is our home. This is feature. Then this is our drop down. As you can see, this is how this appear. So but what you want to do there now, you know that when you go to a blog, what you normally see here is the categories. What you normally see here is the categories that you have. Maybe you have makeup, you have all this makeup, this one. You see the categories on the primary menu. We want to do that here. We want to affect this. So in order to do that, so if you want to have a drop down, you put this hyphen. If you want to have a drop down, you put hyphen. So what we need to delete all these things. Let's delete all these things. Yeah. Let's delete all these things, or you can click the pencil icon and edit them, but let's delete everything. Then I want to leave only the home. I want to add the home. So what I need to do here now, I will go to this template. See what I'm doing now. I'll go back to this template. I want to add that particular labels. Those labels, I want to add it as categories. So what I need to do, let me go back and check whether the labels are there. As you can see, they are not here. It is not yet appearing on your blog. So I'll go back here. I'll click on add gadgets. Then I'll go and add labels. So let's search for a label. Are you seeing that? So I'll add all the label. Just save. So I'll now save this. It's saving the labels. Saving the labels. So let's go to our blog. Let's see our blog and see what is happening here now. Okay. So as you can see, our labels has appeared here. As you can see, it's already appeared. So I want to make our categories the way you see feature, documents, all this. I want to have fashion, hairstyle, makeup, and all that. So what I need to do is just to copy all this link. I'll copy the link of the label. So I'll copy this. I'll go back here. Then I'll click on add new item. Then I'll put the link. I'll put the link here. Name it fashion. I'll save it. I'll get another. As you can see, the result here, the maximum is 5. The maximum result to show here. You can make it. You can edit this. Okay, it's from it's from our what we edited link, but we are going to change that. As you can see, the maximum result to show here is 5. We can change this to 10 later. So let's add another one. So let's also go here. Then let's hairstyle and let's copy the link. Let's come back here and so let's do this. Then I think it's hairstyle then. I'm coming. Okay. Hairstyle and then I save it. Then I'll still do the same thing. Let me go and copy makeup. So you can add makeup. You can save it. If there's any other thing that you want to appear on this, you can still put it there. But let's just leave this thing like this. Let's leave this like this. Okay, let me add. Let's assume. I'm making an assumption that you have other things. Let's add a subcategory. Let's add white makeup. Let's say white this. So let me put hashtag here. This for example. Then I'll save it. Then let's add another one. Let's add view. Then I will just save this as hash. Let's assume that I want to have a drop down. This makeup now, this is a drop down for this. What I need to do is just to edit this. Then I'll put something, I'll put underscore here. I'll save this. Then I'll put for here now, for this blue, so I'll also do the same thing. I'll also put underscore. What this does is that this is a drop down for makeup. It's a drop down for makeup. Let's save this and see what this means. Let's save this and see. So it's okay. The changes I've saved. So let's do this again. Let's go back. As you can see, this is the drop down I'm talking about. As you can see, this is the drop down. This makeup. If you want to add a drop down, you do it like this. So as you can see, our blog is not taking shape. Our blog is taking some shape. So let's click on this. Let's click on and open this. Let's click and open on this. Wow. Do you see how this appear? Do you see? Do you see how it appears? This is how it appears. This is how our blog appears. This is how it appears. So we are making progress. We are making progress. So let's move on. So we are done with the in the main menu. So let's go to the main blog. Let's go to this. Let's edit this. Number of posts appear here. We can change it to 10. We can change that to 10. Then feature is not applicable to your current team is because you don't have a this is not a paid team. So we have label 1 and 2. Okay, let's go one after the other. So author's name, show publisher time, okay. Then show post link, show location. This is how it appears. You don't have any more to do here. You click on save. So then this is the footer. Let's go to the footer. Let's go to the footer. This is the footer. As you can see, this is the footer. So let's go to the footer. This is the footer menu. So these are the about us. So you want to just to delete this. Add the one the way you added those ones before. Add about us. Then about us. Then you go and get the link. Go and get the link and put it here. Then also add contact. Anything, any page that you want to appear here, put it there. Contact us. Contact us. Also go and get the link and put it there. Then after you save everything, then click on save. So this is the sidebar. You are left with the sidebar. This is the sidebar. So what you need to go and do, let's see the sidebar. These are the sidebars. These are what you are having there. These are what you are having there. So we need to go and edit the sidebar. So we go back, we go down. This is what the one we added. This is the social plugin. So click on edit social plugin. You can change anything here. You understand? You can remove all these things here, or you can change them if you don't want. What you need to do is just to be putting your own social handle. Be putting your own social handle here. Be putting your own social handle here. After everything, just click on save. Then this one we added. We added these labels here. Then go to popular posts. Click on this. This all time. Then maximum number of posts. You can change this to 4. Then click on save. Click on save. Then random posts. Click on random posts. So this content random post list. As you can, so just click on. You can change this to, let's say, change it to 4. So subscribe for us. You can. There's no more thing to do here, or unless you want to change the write up. So just click on save. Then this Facebook code. You can go and get this from Facebook. You can actually go and what you need to do is just to. This is the link of the. This is the link. So remove this particular link. Put your own Facebook link there. Put your own Facebook link there so that you don't send traffic to these people's websites. So put your own Facebook link there. So once you save that, okay, it's updating this. Are you with me?
You went off now. You can now.
Okay, it's my
network.
Okay, it's my network actually. It's my network. So just click on save this. So we are saved. Then is any of these that you don't need. If you don't need any of this sidebar, if you don't need them, you can remove them. So let's remove this particular label now. Just click on remove. You will remove it. Then if you want to add anything, if you want to add anything to the sidebar, you want to add any gadgets, you just click on gadgets. Let's say you want to add AdSense code, you can put that. If you want to add a featured post, you can put it there. Live blog, HTML code, profile. These are lists of things that you can actually add on your sidebar. These are lists of things you can add there. You understand? These are lists of things. You can select any of these there and add it on your sidebar. So once you are done, just click on save. It's saving now. So it's saved. So let's go and check our blog and see how it appears. As you can see, this is how our blog, this is how it appears. This is how it appears. This Facebook, this tag, all these things. This is how it appears. So then if you want to change this crafted with by this, if you want to change this thing now, if you want to change it, how you will change it, just copy this crafted with, copy this, then you go back. We are done with this layout. Yeah, I think we are done with anything that I have to do. But this layout depends on the theme. If you buy a premium theme now, that's why our blog is even looking like this. This is not the way the blog look on the where we bought the theme on the template yard. This is not how it looks. It is because you are using a free version of this particular theme. That's why it's looking like this. But once you get a premium one, if you get a premium theme, it will be different. I think I have some premium theme on Blogger. So if you need any theme, just let me know. So I'll check. I think I have some premium theme for myself. I can send you the link to download the premium theme. So then what I need to do, I want to change this crafted by blah 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 stuff. So I need to go to theme. So I'll click on edit HTML. I'll click on edit HTML. My network is disturbing me, sha. So let's click on Ctrl plus F. Click on Ctrl F. When you click on Ctrl F, you see this search bar. When you click on Ctrl F, you see this search bar. Just Ctrl V, put down crafted with, click on enter. As you can see, you see that area, this DV class. So be careful with things that you do here, because even if you remove this, pin this and remove this A, it will affect all the code on this. So it requires some knowledge on coding. Do you understand? So you be careful with what you do here. So we go with crafted with, blah 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 stuff. So you can change, you can see this is their domain name, this is their templates.com. This is where you get this domain. So if you want to get your own domain, you still use your template yard. So you can put your own crafted by, put your domain name there. Go and get your domain. This is my domain. I'll now replace this with this. I'll put in my domain name there. Then distributed by, I'll also put my own domain name there. So you get templates here. You can remove this and put your blog there. Lord. Put your blog name there, then put templates. Just put your after then just click on save. That's how to change that. Then you have done editing your template, adding menu bar, body, and you have done that. You have even done labels. You have done label. Then what you need to do here now, the next thing to do is settings. Let's go to settings. That's what you are supposed to do next before adding a custom domain. That's the last thing you're going to do. So let's go to, so we go to settings. So let's go to settings. Let's go to settings. My network is still bad. Any questions so far? Okay, let's check our comments. Okay. Okay, this one is safe. Okay, let's finish this. We're already at the ending. So this is our blog title, which we can change. We can change this blog title. Then you add a blog description. Our blog is about. Our blog is about. You write your blog description and put it here. This is good for SEO. Save it. Then your language, you select your language. If your blog is about adult content, you can put it here. Then favicon. Favicon is this thing that you are seeing here. This view that you are seeing here is favicon. So it's good for SEO. You can change it here. You can design your own favicon. Favicon has a square. It's 100 by 100, 50 by 50, 10 by 10 pixel. So you design your favicon here, and you can from there change your favicon. So you can just choose file and select the favicon from any of these. You can select this as your favicon and save it. But make sure that is in square format. This is too large. It's too large actually. So let's forget about that. So visible to search engine, make sure that this is selected. Then this is custom domain. We are going to let's just do it immediately. So let's add a custom domain. Let's assume, let me go to my Namecheap. We are adding a custom domain now. We are doing everything there. So let's assume that I want to add a custom domain. Let me go to my Namecheap account. That's where I get some domain. So let me go to my dashboard account. Let me go to dashboard. Okay. Oh wow. So let me check my mail. I send the verification to my box. Let me check. Okay, so this is Namecheap code. Okay, it's loading. So this is my the Namecheap account. So let's assume that let me find a blog that I'm going to use for that. So let's assume that I want to use this next talk. I want to change this domain. I want what custom domain does that is when somebody search for this nexttalk.com, once somebody search nexttalk.com, what will now appear is this blog. This blog will now appear so that person don't need to see this blogspot.com. Do you understand? So that's what custom domain does. So I want to change this so that when somebody search nexttalk, let's say nexttalk.com, you don't see that particular website here. You don't see that your blogspot. That's what custom domain does. As you can see, we don't have anything on this nexttalk. We don't have anything. So what we need to do is to go and click on manage. Click on manage. Then click on let's go back to this. You want to add a custom domain. Click on custom domain. Click on this nexttalk.com. Do where to remove the HTTP, everything that I have to just put a naked domain. Click on save. So as you can see, if you put HTTP or www, you will not get this. So just put a naked domain like your name.com example. So a blog may not be hosted at a naked domain. Example, please add a top level domain. Okay, let's add a www dot. Okay, or a subdomain. Okay, let's save this like this. Okay, so let's check this. Okay, as you can see, this, you need to add a you need to add a www dot your domain. So you have not been able to verify your domain authority in this blah, blah, blah stuff. So what you need to do is to enter the following two CNAME. So you are going to enter this CNAME. Is a CNAME name. This destination is this. So let's go back to our Let's go back to our blog. Let's go to advanced DNS. Let's go to advanced DNS. We're going to advanced DNS. So we need to put a CNAME in our advanced DNS. So we already have this. We already have these two stuff here. I can delete them. Yeah, I can delete them. My network. So let's add a new record. As you can see, I want to add a new record. So I want to add a CNAME record. So this is www. The target is, let's go back and see our target. The destination is this. This www. The destination is this. You copy this particular GS stuff, copy it, then you come back, you put it there. Click on automatic. You have added this particular. Then you are also going to create another one. Then and the name, another CNAME. The name is this. The name is this. This is the name. Then you go back, add another CNAME record. The name, this is the name. This is the name. Then the target is this. Let's go back. This is destination. This is destination.com. Then I'll click on automatic. As you can see, I've added this. Then if you still want to add IP address, let's say, see this, go on support page. If you want to add other IPs, there are other IPs. There are other IPs. What you need to do is just to copy this particular link. Copy this. Let's go and check this particular link. I think they have. Okay, if you want to add other IPs, do you understand? These are some IPs you can add to your domain. So it's a record. This thing is a record. So let's go to copy one. You add all of them, but I'm going to just add one for the purpose of this training. Go and add is a record. Then this is at. Put at there. Then put the IP. This is the IP. Then save this. You save the changes. My this thing is bad. So then you add all these IPs there. Do way to add all these IPs. Add all of them if you want, but I will not add all of them. So what after I'm done with this, I'll just click on save. I'll click on save. Wow! If you do this correctly, you are going to get this. You are going to see this. If you do it correctly, you're not going to get an error message. So once you have done that, you just click on the direct. Check this button, so that once somebody search for this particular domain, once somebody search for this, it will automatically direct that. So we also enable HTTPS. We enable this. So let's go and search for this. Let's go and search this. It's still error this. So let's open a new this and search and see what is now happening there. You are getting this error blah 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 stuff because it have not propagated. You need to give it 24 hours to propagate. At least 24 hours. It have not propagated. So once you did it correctly, after 24 hours, once you start that particular domain, what you are going to see is your blog. This is your blog now. Let's search this blog. As you can see, it's now redirecting to netstalk.com. It's being redirected to netstalk.com. So once you search it, once you do it correctly, you will see, you will get this message like this. Then after that, let's still go down to settings. Let's see, invite, or let's assume that you want to invite authors. You want to add people to your blog. You can invite them through here. Just invite them. Use their email and invite them. Then number of posts, you can change this number of posts. You can change it, the number of posts that you want to appear. Then you can put lazy loading. You can put SAP image where you can check, or just go through the settings and all that. Then meta description. Then add a meta description. You put the description of your blog here. Just put the description of your blog up there. It's good for SEO. It's good for SEO. Then custom 404 page is also good for SEO. Custom redirect is also good for SEO. Add all these things. They are all good for SEO. Site cursor, monetization, enable add text. All these things are good for SEO. Add them. You can add all of them. I have a video on my YouTube channel on all this, how to add all of them. Title and inclusive link, all these things. So these settings for you. So then let me remove this. Let me remove the spot. After 24 hours, it's supposed to show. So you try it on your own domain. Because that domain, okay, I don't want. Okay, I want to delete this. So it has deleted. So let's go back. Let's check our this thing again. We are back to this. We are back to this. So I can go back to this and delete all these things. But after 24 hours, it's supposed to work. So check that on your own end. So because this domain is very, very useful to me. So that's how to change your domain. That's how to add a custom domain. So let's go to overview. This is bloggers template. Let's go to overview. This is post. If you want to, then we have visited this thing before. We have visited post before. So in this post, you see all the posts you have on your blog. If you want to add another post, you can click on this new button. Then let's go to statistics. These statistics show you how many visitors you have on your blog. You have a total of 5 posts. There's no followers, there's no comment. Then the all-time view is 19. Today's view is 19. Yesterday, today's month. It's just for stats. It's showing you the stat. But the stat you are seeing here is a hit. Like, when I mean in a hit, is when somebody like click on your link. It does not even necessarily mean that person visited your website or anything. So this particular thing you are seeing here is not, well, I say it's not the real page view. So if you want to see a real page view of your website, you install a Google Analytics on your page. Install a Google Analytics on your website and see the real data there. Then you go to comments. You see the comments, what people commented on your blog. Then go to earnings. If you want to connect Google AdSense, you can do that from here. But make sure that you meet the requirements first before connecting your Google AdSense account. Make sure you meet the requirements. Then we have gone to page before. You can create a new page and all that. Then I think layout, we have done something on layout before. Then also theme, we have done theme. So we have gone through all this stuff. Then leading lists. There's no much thing here. But this is for bloggers community. So let's view our blog. So I don't think there's anything here that we have not touched. We have touched. So this is how you can be able to design your blog on Blogger. So, and with this, I am sure that I've done justice to this. If you have a question, let's start answering the questions on the comment section. So tomorrow, what we're going to do tomorrow is that we are going to do how to design a blog using on WordPress. And today's assignment is that you're going to design your blog using Blogger. Just design the blog. Don't add a custom domain. Just design the blog like that on Blogger. Just design it. And this, I'm going to try and make this video available tomorrow morning. I will try as much as possible. So let's be answering the question. I'm coming, Mr. John. I'm coming. Let's answer the question first. That is on the comment section. The first question says, can a friend send his payment template to you without you buying it? For sure. I have some payment template. Let me even check. Let me check whether I'm still having it. Let me check first. But I think I have some payment templates. So let me go to file. Let me check whether I still get those templates. Yeah, a friend can actually send some templates for you. They can actually, yeah. So then the next question, are there recommended templates for certain niche? For example, is there a particular template that is ideal for a sports? Yes, if you go to templates here, there are some templates that, depending on the designer will tell you that this is for sports templates, sports this one, sports meg. You will see some templates. If you go to templates here now, let's go to templates here. You will see there are some templates that you see that they are sports, they are niche related. Do you understand? They are niche related. You can see use that kind of template and all that. So let's go. Is there a place that to search? Okay. But you can see there are some templates that you see there is a sports meg, news meg, all these things. You can choose that, but also check the feature of that particular template before choosing any template. Always see the feature of the template. So let me go and check web design to. So let me go to blog. Okay, skip. Oh, I don't have WordPress. There's no. Wow, where am I? I used to. Web design. Let me. I want to know whether I will check later. I will check whether I can get all those bloggers. What's it called? Bloggers team. I think I have something. I have bought something. How do you know the logo size? How do you know the logo size? Yeah, I've done. Still is the logo size now. You download the logo. You download the logo on your laptop. You download the logo on your laptop, then you open the, as you can see, once you highlight the logo size is 428 times 91. Or you can even open the logo with any editor. You can open the logo with any of the editor and see the size. Do you understand? You can open the logo with any editor and you see the size there. So let me know what I can see the size image. Let's go to the size. This is the size of this particular image, 428 by 91. Do you understand? This is the size. So that's how to know the size of the logo. So how do you know a good template? Go to the description. Go to the description and know. If you don't check for precision and do copy and paste, what is the effect? Is the design a blog same as designing a website? Okay. If you don't do plagiarism for your blog, the effect is that, one, in terms of SEO, your blog will not rank anywhere. Even in Facebook, if you share a plagiarized content, Facebook will limit the reach of that post. You understand? It is not good to share copy and paste. You understand? So it is not good at all. So a blog is an example of a website. A blog is a website. There is a blog website. In websites, we have a blog website, we have business websites, we have portfolio websites, we have e-commerce websites. There are so many forms of websites, even school websites. A blog is just a type of a website. Do you understand? It's a form of a website. So any other question? Mr. John, you can ask your question. Hello, Mr. John. Mr. John, any other question? Do you have any question again? If you have question, you can ask your question.
Question is regarding the DIY.
Okay.
So I was thinking that we'll watch the video and digest it before moving on with the assignment, because I can't lie, some of the steps I have forgotten about it. Like the one you just did there were many.
Okay.
So I was thinking we'll watch the video and maybe present it at the end.
Okay. Okay.
Like create our own video.
Oh, okay, no problem. I'm going to make sure I upload the video by tomorrow morning or this night if I'm still have the strength because I'm exhausted already. Then, great. What is your question?
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, sir. I came to this online class late.
Okay.
So I want to ask, this blogger, is there any need for hosting? Because I didn't see that part.
No, there's no need for hosting. Google is hosting it for you. That's one advantage. That's the best advantage of using Blogger. Google is hosting it for you. You don't need any hosting at all. You don't need any hosting. Okay, John, what's your question?
Sorry, sir. I didn't get your answer. I didn't hear your answer.
I said you don't need a hosting. That Google is hosting it for you. Google owns Blogger. So Google hosts all the file for you. What you just need is a domain. If you want to buy a domain, a custom domain, just buy a custom domain and link it to your blog. Forget about the hosting. You're not paying anything for hosting. Google is hosting it for you. That's one of the advantages of using Blogger.
Okay.
Okay, over to you, John. What's your question?
Yes, sir. So one of my questions is that is there a major disadvantage for using Blogger? And then is it only Google AdSense one can apply for when using Blogger?
Okay. There are advantages. Do you understand? There are disadvantages while using Blogger. One of the disadvantages is that you have limited control. In the sense of like the team that you are even using, like the team, they are limited team. They are limited, unlike WordPress that you have so many control over. So in terms of control, you have limited control on Blogger. Do you understand? Then in terms of monetization, all the monetization that you can have on WordPress you can still have it on Blogger. It's not only on AdSense. You are seeing AdSense there because AdSense is owned by Google and Blogger is also owned by Google. That's why you are seeing AdSense there. You can connect any other ad network, maybe AdSteller and all that. It's just to get the code. Then go to your theme editor, go to HTML, go to your HTML and add the code straight on your blog. You understand? So that's how to do that. You can. There are some advantages of using Blogger. You can even Google it and see some disadvantage. But for a new blogger, is good. It's the best option because it will save cost. In terms of cost, it is the best. Here you get. Any other question? John, I hope I answered your question.
Very well, sir.
Yeah, any other question? So if there's no question, we are going to call it a day. So tomorrow we start with web design using WordPress. We are going to do that. So that's how we move. Let's move like that till we are done with this. So thanks once more for joining this masterclass. Do have a pleasant night. Bye. Blessing, you don't have any question? Are you still with us? Miss Blessing. Blessing is not with us again. Okay, no problem now, no problem. So I'm going to do the video and upload that later.